Let's look at an example of finding pricing for a put option. Let us understand and find out pricing for a put option. So remember, as in case of the call option, any option, put option or call option, there are 5 factors which are going to impact the pricing, and we need to have those informations available with us, those values available with us, so as to calculate the option pricing. And this time we are looking at a put option. So what would be the value, and that is price of an option on Tata Motors put option? Strike price is 480 rupees. Strike price is 480 rupees, and the spot price is 430 rupees. So the strike price is 480 and spot price is 430, and time to expiry is 30 days, and the risk free rate interest is same. So risk free rate is 8%, and the volatility now is 40%. So volatility is 40%. Now, given these values of these 5 factors that we have just discussed, let us find out as to what will be the price of a put option based on these 5 factors. So again, what we do, so the exercise price is 480, spot price is 430, time to expiry is 30, risk free rate is 8%, volatility is 40%. With these 5 values, let's find out as to how much is going to be the price of a premium. How much is going to be the option price for option premium for this put option, right? So first of all, let me change it, because we want to find pricing for put option. So the stock price currently it is 430. So spot price is 430, and strike price is 480, and time to maturity is 30 days. It is already given there. Risk free rate is 8%, and the volatility now is 40%. So when this happens, what do you get? You get a price of 52.02. So friends, this is how you will do the pricing of an option. This is how you will do pricing of an option using the built-in calculator, for the purpose of finding the value. Let's just find out. अब देखिए, what was applicable in case of call option? It is going to be inversely applicable in case of put option. तो हमने देखा in case of the call option, जितना strike price कम होगा उतना premium is going to be high, और जितना strike price ज़्यादा होगा उतना premium कम होगा. In case of put option, it is going to be the other way round. So जितनी strike price ज़्यादा होगी उतना premium ज़्यादा होगा, और जितनी strike price कम होगी उतना premium कम होगा. And why is that so? And I'm sure you can understand. If the strike price is high in case of a put option, that means holder of the option has got that much more possibility of earning that much high profits. And holder of the option जितना ज़्यादा profit कमाएगा उतना ज़्यादा loss writer of the option करेगा. So अब देखिए आप इसमें for the put option, when the strike price is 480, अगर हम इसको बढ़ा के for example 900 कर दें, because then it becomes easy to comprehend. तो अगर हम इसको बढ़ा दें और इसको समझो 600 कर दें, तो क्या होगा, and you can see that the option price has increased. And why the option price has increased? Because जितनी ज़्यादा strike price होगी of a put option, उतना ज़्यादा रिस्क है for the writer of the option, और जितना ज़्यादा रिस्क होगी for the writer of the option, obviously he will have to charge that much extra premium. और अगर हम इसको घटा के समझो 400 कर दें, 400 सीधा पहले, अब अगर हम 400 कर दें तो आप देखोगे कि आपका जो प्रीमियम है घट के 6.91 रह गया. सो जितना स्ट्राइक प्राइस कम होगा इन केस ऑफ पुट ऑप्शन, प्रीमियम उतना और भी ज़्यादा कम होगा. अगर समझो स्ट्राइक प्राइस अगर हम मान के चलें कि लेट्स से 400 है, तो आप देखेंगे कि it is not making any impact, and that is because this is the minimum. So अगर स्ट्राइक प्राइस अगर 400 है और स्टॉक प्राइस 430 है, इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है कि एज इट स्टैंड्स टुडे दिस ऑप्शन इज आउट ऑफ द मनी, and since this option is out of the money, and that is why there is very little risk that writer of the option is taking, and that is why the amount of premium is coming so low. लेकिन अगर इसको बढ़ा के 500 कर दिया, then what will happen? Immediately you will see the premium will jump. So this is how, friends, we would be able to use the calculators for the purpose of finding out the theoretical price. Now before we close, just 2 minutes, and we do a quick revision, and I would like all of you to just spend 2 minutes